If you're facing workout and step sync issues with Samsung Health on the Galaxy Fit 3, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just make sure that your Galaxy Fit 3 is paired with your Android phone. Now to do that, on your Android phone, just open the Galaxy Wearable app, and from here just tap on Connect to pair your Galaxy Fit 3 with your Android phone. Now after you pair your Galaxy Fit 3 with your Android phone, then just go to your home screen and open the Samsung Health app. Now in the Samsung Health app, just tap on the three dots over here, then tap on Settings. And from here, just make sure that you have signed into with the same Samsung account which you used to sign into the Galaxy Wearable app. Because if the Samsung accounts are not the same, you will face syncing issues. So just make sure you use the same Samsung account. After that, just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the Samsung Health app. Tap on the eye icon. Now from here, just tap on App Permissions. And from here, just make sure you give the Samsung Health app all the necessary permissions, especially the permission to physical activity. Just like that. Now after you have done that, now just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just follow the next method. For that, just do a force restart on both devices. Now to do a force restart on the Galaxy Fit 3, just press and hold the side button until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. After you see the Samsung logo, just release the side button. Now on your Android phone, just open the power menu. After you open the power menu, just select Restart. Now after you've done that, now just open the Galaxy Wearable app and pair your Galaxy Fit 3 with your Android phone. Tap on Connect and check if this fixes your issue or not. But if this also did not work, then the last thing you can do, on the Galaxy Wearable app, just tap on Band Settings, then tap on General. From here, just select Reset, then tap on Reset. And by doing that, you will perform a hard reset on the Galaxy Fit 3. Now after you do a hard reset on the Galaxy Fit 3, then go to your home screen and tap and hold on the Samsung Health app. Tap on the eye icon, then tap on Storage. From here, just clear the cache of the Samsung Health app. After you do that, then just pair your band again with your phone, and this will fix your syncing issues. And this is how you can fix the workout and step sync issues with Samsung Health on the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.